Welcome to Smart Finance Investor. I'm thrilled to have you here for another episode of our passive income series. In today's episode, we're diving into an exciting topic that's been buzzing around the online space: affiliate marketing. Whether you are a savvy investor or just starting out, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative addition to your financial journey. So, let's break it down step by step. Part 1: Understanding affiliate marketing. Before we jump into the specifics, let's understand the concept of affiliate marketing. Imagine being a middleman, connecting people with products they love. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. Companies offer you a unique link, and when someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Companies get more sales, and you get a piece of the pie. Imagine this: you're on a vacation, and your phone buzzes with notifications. It's not just updates, it's a stream of income flowing in while you relax. That's the incredible power of passive income, and affiliate marketing is your ticket to achieving it. Part 2: Choosing the right product category. The key to success in affiliate marketing starts with choosing the right product category. Think of a product category as your area of expertise or passion. It could be personal finance tools, budgeting apps, investment platforms, or anything that resonates with your audience. By focusing on a specific product category, you'll attract a more engaged and targeted audience, boosting your chances of converting sales. Product category selection is crucial. Let's say you're passionate about budgeting apps. Your audience consists of individuals seeking financial discipline. By focusing on product category, your content becomes a valuable resource, and affiliate products like premium budgeting apps can become your income source. Part 3: Building trust and authority. Trust is the currency of the online world. As an affiliate marketer, your audience will only buy through your links if they trust your recommendations. That's why it's crucial to establish yourself as an authority in your product category. Share valuable insights, reviews, and personal experiences. Authenticity builds trust, and trust leads to more conversions. Building trust is non-negotiable. Take investment platforms, for instance. Before suggesting any platform, put your own money in and share your journey transparently. This authenticity resonates with audience. Part 4: Research and product selection. Not all affiliate products are created equal. Research is your best friend here. Look for products that align with your product category and have a solid reputation. Test the products yourself whenever possible. Remember, you're recommending these products to your audience, so their satisfaction is paramount. Research is your foundation. Look for products that solve problems. Let's talk about online courses. They're booming. By thoroughly examining course content, reading reviews, and even connecting with course creators, ensure your audience invests wisely. Part 5: Content creation. Now comes the creative part: content creation. Quality content is the bridge between your audience and the products you're promoting. Create a variety of content types like informative videos, how-to guides, product reviews, and comparison videos. Tailor your content to address your audience's pain points and showcase how these affiliate products can solve their problems. Content is king. Take investment-related content. Don't just talk about numbers, share stories. Discuss how compound interest turned a small investment into a substantial retirement fund. These relatable stories engage audience and make affiliate products feel tangible. Part 6: Promotion strategies. So, you've created amazing content. Now, how do you get it in front of the right eyes? Utilize social media platforms, SEO optimization, and collaborations with fellow YouTubers or bloggers. Consistency is key. Regularly release content and engage with your audience to build a community around your product category. Social media is gold. Share snippets of your content, engage in conversations, and join relevant groups. Collaborations with other content creators expand your reach too. A rising tide lifts all boats. Part 7. Disclosing affiliate relationships. Ethical affiliate marketing means transparently disclosing your affiliate relationships. It's a legal requirement and, more importantly, an ethical responsibility. Clearly mention in your videos, descriptions, and blog posts that you may earn a commission if someone makes a purchase through your links. Honesty strengthens trust and deepens trust and ensures you're compliant with legal requirements. Part 8. Monitoring and optimization. Like any investment, affiliate marketing requires monitoring and optimization. Keep an eye on your conversion rates, click-through rates, and audience engagement. Use analytics tools to identify what's working and what needs improvement. Continuously refine your strategies to maximize your returns. To summarize affiliate marketing, we discussed the following. Part 1. Understanding affiliate marketing illustrates the allure of waking up to income notifications while on vacation. Part 2. Choosing the right product category highlights the importance of product category selection, using the example of budgeting apps and how to connect with your audience. Part 3. Building trust and authority emphasizes building trust by personally using promoted products and sharing authentic experiences. Part 4. Research and product selection stresses thorough research for product selection, focusing on courses and their credibility. Part 5. Content creation underlines the value of relatable stories, using the concept of compound interest. Part 6. Promotion strategies suggests leveraging social media, collaborations, and partnerships for wider reach. Part 7. Disclosing affiliate relationships stresses the importance of transparency and legal compliance in disclosing affiliate partnerships. Part 8. Monitoring and optimization encourages continuous improvement by monitoring analytics, optimizing strategies, and adapting to maximize success. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to affiliate marketing. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of learning, experimenting, and adapting. By staying genuine, providing value, and nurturing your audience, you can turn affiliate marketing into a powerful income stream on your path to financial freedom. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insightful content on personal finance, investing, and online income streams. As always, thank you for joining us, and until next time, take care and happy investing.